Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to style your 4A natural hair after a wash and go. So stay tuned. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even claim a toe. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. So this is day 2 of my wash and go. I shampooed my hair the other day and I detangled it with Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'll show you guys the bottle.
These are the products that I used on my hair and that I'll be using in the video.
First step is sectioning off the hair for how much you want down. I don't use a comb for this part just because nobody should be looking back there anyway. But if you want to, you can use a comb. And so then I gather up the hair that I'm gonna tie up and I just use a ponytail to hold that while I make sure that the back is still nice and curly. This is the back once I've fingered my part. Wow, that sounded so weird. This is the back once you figured out your part and how much hair you want down. Alright, so now we're ready to move on to the top part. So now we're gonna smooth all of that hair together and we'll fix our edges once we're done. But we smooth all that, make sure you feel it right in the middle of your head, and I use a headband as a ponytail holder to secure that part down. Right, and our bun is gonna be like nice and fluffy, just like this. And we'll go back and fix like what's all out later. So now we'll use another rubber band to take all the hair that didn't make it into the bun and just bring it behind. And we'll secure that on. And your bun is nice and set, just like that. So now we can go through and give us some slicked, sleek edges. I am using the 24-hour edge tamer. I'll put the link in the description box. This was super cheap and I really like it. I can gauge where my edges are, so I just go through, put it on, and then we'll go back over with our comb to make it look nice and neat. You can make a little curl right here if you want to. Yeah. I always like having a little curl on both sides of my hair. You can use a toothbrush also for this part, but I just use the back of a rat tail comb. I don't have time to be wasting my toothbrushes. You can also go back over with some Eco Styler gel if you want it to be super smooth. I don't care all too much because I work out so much. I'm gonna sweat my hair out anyway. Okay, there we have it, and now we're ready for the last part. For the last part, we're gonna go through with our spray bottle and just lightly spray our hair all over so we can fluff out those curls. See, fluff them out here. And once you're done with that, you are good to go. This is the final look. This is day 2 of my wash and go. And this style actually can last about 2 to 3 days as long as you're wearing your bonnet when you go to sleep at night. And just always use a spray bottle and conditioner to freshen up your curls if needed. So there you have it.